In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reset your workspace, fix your missing toolbars, and show toolbars in Adobe Indesign. So as you can see here, I have a file open, but I'm missing a lot of toolbars. And there are several ways you can go about this. So first we're going to go to Window, and I'm going to show you how to put separate toolbars back. So in Window, we're going to choose Control here to get the top toolbar back. And then we're going to go to Window and choose Tools to get this left toolbar back. And then the third one, Window and Properties to get this right bar back. And if you're still missing something, you can go to Window, and then here you can go to Workspace and choose a preset workspace if you want to. You have Essentials, you can also go for typography. And if you're wanting other things, separate windows, you can also choose them in Window here. And you can also go to the workspace and reset it if it's not looking right, so then it will reset your workspace. Or you can make your own workspace in the workspace and create one with all the things you want to see all the time. But in Window, you can find your toolbars, activate them if they're missing, and choose separate things like this. It will then open a new window you're missing in your workspace. So that's how you can control your workspace, reset your workspace, and fix your missing toolbars in Adobe InDesign. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.